There's so much more shit in my thing than there used to be.
Well, there's a guy on me. Brendan, we got guys at the base. Need help, buddy. We got a huge guy at the base. Buddy, come help. Killed one.
Big bitch. Oh, shit. Dead.
You're dead? Shit. Oh, there's another one on me. Shit. This isn't good, pal. This isn't good. There's a lot of them.
Move them off my body.
I'm trying to get you up. I'm trying to get you up. Yep. Alright, buddy, get up, get up. He's picking up his dead buddy. Trying to fuck him up, and then he killed me.
Oh shit.
Try and get him off me, bud.
Sprint, bitch.
Did you get to me, bud, or no?
Oh, you murdered his homie.
Get me, bud.
He's angry, buddy.
Get me, buddy. We'll hide this coat together, bud.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, bud.
Is he still on you?
I don't know, I'm about to die though. I'm like 3/4 of the way.
Oh, I'm coming. He just fucked up the chick.
Did he? Is he on us?
I don't know.
Try and hit him with some... Damn, he fucked up our shit. Oh, he's inside the house.
You really?
Yeah.
Oh.
He killed me. Fuck, bud. Yeah, let's respawn, I guess. We should have gotten up on them. Oh, he's still here. Dude, Brendan, there's so many.
Coming, bud.
Buddy. There's a bunch of them. Buddy, there's a bunch of them. Buddy, there's a bunch of them. He killed me in one swing. Come on.
Catch, bud. You're fucking our shit up.
Yeah, look at how many there are.
Oh my god.
Do we need to move, bro?
Jesus Christ.
It killed me, dude. I can't even hit him.
Jesus Christ almighty.
Try and get me up. We might just need to move, bud. I need to get the fuck out of here, dog. The fuck should we do?
I don't know, bro. We're fucking our shit up.
This is fine. There's like 4 of them. Dude, look at this. What should we do, buddy?
Well, I'm making a Molotov. Alright, where'd the red guy go?
Dude, look at them all over there.
Why wasn't that lit? Holy shit.
Yeah, dude, they fucking shit on our spot.
Oh my god.
Alright, I built a fire inside here, buddy. Get warm.
God damn, buddy.
Dude. I want to see something real quick, bro.
Okay.
You died for that, bud?
It's pretty sick.
Let's cut down this tree.
Might need to start a fire.
Yeah, for real, you work on that. No.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm eating his arm.
You're not. Oh, actually. No, because then it'll make you fucking hella tired. You can't make it that good. Oh, there's more, there's more. There's more, buddy.
Oh shit.
No, you better not
Oh.
go up to our base and fuck it up, you little bitch. Alright, get him, bud. Mob it on him. Make sure he's down before you get me. Hear more, I think, bud? Yep, yep, yep.
Nice play.
Sure.
Will you get anything for this? Skin pouch. So if I take this, can I just attach it onto this thing? Oh wait, no.
Hey, come on, man.
Or do we have to build a cabin on the tree next to it?
There's more, buddy.
Oh shit.
You're gonna tell us little. Holy shit, there's a ton.
Get up, get up. Get up in the tower, bro. Get up in the tower.
She was dragging something, bro.
Brody, get up in the tower.
Over me, buddy. Chopped one's arm off over there. What? With that? That's bud. Oh shit, he's on the tree next to us, buddy. Shit, I fell off. Shit.
Oh shit, you can build.
We Might just need to build another one.
No, you can build.
Oh, how so?
You have to be up here.
Oh shit.
And if you have a
Oh,
log
shit.
on you, like it's telling me I can place a log, but I don't have it.
Oh, that's because I put another thing down.
Do I have a log on me?
I put another tree platform down, bud. Brandon, there's 3, 4, 5. Fuck, bud. What is she doing? Is she meowing?
Alright, do you know how to light the Molotov?
Probably with that, right? Look at them all down there, bud.
Where?
Look at them all down beneath us.
Holy shit.
Come on, light them up, bud. Is there anything?
Oh, I'm not.
Just being a fuck.
Oh.
How'd you get it to light on fire, buddy?
L.
And then what?
E click.
Oh, you pulled L.
Oh no. Oh no.
Holy shit, bud.
There's more coming up from the beach.
Dude, there's a big ass one. No, don't waste them. Well, at least these bases seem to be pretty impenetrable to them. Oh, except he's chopping down our tree! Fucking burn, bitch! He's burning.
You threw the fire under a tree?
This is not good, bud.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Oh, Big Boy's dead, though.
Nice, nice.
Maybe the fire will chill. Looks like the fire's chilling. Alright, I'm gonna make another one of those.
There's a zoo of them out here, bro.
I'm aware. Making another Molotov.
Holy shit.
Dumb fuck. Look at him fall. That's right, get out of here. I got more of those. The Molotov, bud.
Make some more.
Like I'm gonna use anymore. There's one to our left. Should we get up top, bud?
Yeah.
Get up top, get up top. Go, buddy, go, 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 go.
Oh my god.
Go, buddy. Oh, no, no. Oh, what'd I just do? On, bud.
Oh shit, I didn't like that. No, where's my lighter? Isn't L lighter? What the fuck's going on?
Oh, buddy, should I come down? I'm like
No,
one
you're
shot.
good, you're good.
Nice, bud. Oh, it's dead. Nice.
You look?
Let me see if I can drop some.
Oh no, I threw two of my stuff. I'm dead, but I'm on the thing.
Wait, what? What? I don't know if I can get to you, bud. Shit. What'd I just do?
I'm on the ground.
I think I accidentally got rid of the rope on this thing.